afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Ms. Monica.
Okay, so today we are going to the foundation. I will ask from the Alpine this week. So we will start from the Sanskrit. Please explain the Sanskrit for this week, Miss.
Our Sanskrit for this week is Unit 4. That's about sounds I. That one is about it, it, and in. Okay, so there are some words that has sound from it, ik, in, and like beep, and then lit, kid, then
No, ib first.
ip, beep and rip. There are only two. If it, there are two also, kit and lit, and then that one ik and in, there are four. For ik, that one fig, and then weak, big, and then that one more dick for ik, and the last that one is in, like win, fin, pin, and bin. That one is.
There are four.
Yeah, there are four. Win, fin, bin, and win.
So on Monday, what do you do?
On Monday, we we start the unit about the unit 4 about it and in. So we show to them and we teach them about that sound first. I, de, it, I, b, ip. That one first. I, g, ik, and I, ne, in. And then after that we join the in, ik, if, it, in with another letter or another sound like the ik, big, like in, fin, and then ke, it, kid. That one is.
You ask them to read.
Yes. Still, what? Yeah.
Still introduce
introduce the sound of that four sounds.
On Tuesday, what do you do?
On Tuesday, we talk about we introduce about the words, the words from it, ip, ik, and in. That's why there is like kid, lit, which we introduce about the words to them, how to read that one.
For Tuesday?
For Tuesday, that one is about the word.
Oh, okay.
So for on Monday, we just introduce about the sound first.
Wednesday?
For Wednesday, we don't have the Sanskrit, Miss.
So?
We have rainbow math and rainbow science.
So for rainbow science?
For rainbow science, we have special activity. But before that, we review first about the unit. The unit is about water. That the first is about the characteristic of water, and then how to make ice, and then the source of water. Like because on that.
How do you explain water?
I said to them, water is the natural resource that God give to us, and then water can help us to take a bath, to wash a car or wash dishes, and then brush your teeth, wash hands, and other activities. Even you drink, you need water. I say like them. And then for the characteristic, because that one the first explanation. That one is talk about the characteristic of water is follows their shapes from their container, like vase, bottle, jar, and then bowl. And then I tell to them first, and we teach about them first how come ice, how do ice come? Sorry, Miss. How do ice come? So it talk about how to make
Not
ice.
how do.
Yes,
How does.
ice. How does? Yes, sorry, Miss. How does ice come? So ice come from water that you make from water, water cup, and then you put in your fridge. It become an ice, and then after that the last topic is about
What else? The CP questions. I see there are two here.
Yes, activities that the uses of water. That one. Actually, before I explain the activities that needs water, they can mention that then they can mention the activities, and then I I ask again. So what activities that we that need water that usually we do?
What other?
What activities that we need
Oh, you don't.
sorry that what activities that need water, I mean that need water, or what activities or
Are you sure?
what
This is radio
what is
science.
what the example of activities uses of water in there. So the activities uses water, the example of uses water are like cooking, taking bath, and then washing a dishes, and that one is
No, you don't put this one. You don't put that here.
which one is sorry.
This one, there's a big question last week. I asked you for this week.
Oh, for this week, that one is about the source of water. We
Are you sure?
Yes,
Source of
miss.
water?
Yes,
No.
because we that one we review all, miss. For this week we have special activity. We review all the CPQ.
Okay.
We review
So
all
the sources
CPQ.
of water?
The sources of water, there are 5: waterfall, well, and then lake, sea, and river. That one is the last material that in water
Okay,
material.
just now the activities.
The activities is cooking, taking a bath, and washing a car. That one. Actually, for this week and for last week, the speaker are same, miss, because we have review in this week, right?
Okay, so for little steps.
For little step, we talk about actually that one is about transportation, and then the
For this week?
Yes, how do we get from one place to another? That one is the title, and then I take that one is about transportation, like car, and then bus, train, airplane, and ship. So that talk about the transportation, and then before I give the story about the transportation, and we give the exercise from that unit, I I tell to them about the transportation first. What is transportation? Transportation is a thing that can help us to move from one place to another place. For example, like you are in your house now, you want to go to your school, you can move from the house to school by car or by motorcycle. That is car and motorcycle are the vehicles or transportation. I said them first.
Okay, the CP questions, what do you put?
The specific questions, because there are some vehicles there, but I just asked about bus because bus is the big one there. So I asked to them what vehicles that can carry many people in there inside. Okay, they say that is bus because bus actually bus is the transportation on the road, same like car, but bus can carry many people more than 30 or about 40. That one is, and then I give the example like if you want to go to your grandma house, you can ride by the car, but that one only 4 or 5 people. But if you want to go to zoo with your friends from school, it means there are many students in here, and then you can go there by car, by bus. I mean, that one is.
Next big questions.
The CPQ question, that one.
Still for little steps.
Oh yeah, miss. On Tuesday, we still have about the transportation or vehicles, and that one is about the transportation that can keep our air clean.
Okay.
So in there is picture, 3 pictures about scooter and bike, and one more that is bus.
Bus.
Okay. The big one introduced about the scooter. The scooter, yeah, as we know that the scooter use our energy to ride it. but if bus, we need gasoline, and then you have to fill the gasoline inside the gas station, and then because there is machine and there is gasoline, it can give the air smoke. I said to them, smoke. The smoke can make our air will be dirty. Because that is from the machine and the gasoline. But if bike and scooter, they use our energy. They don't need the gasoline, and there is no machine, so they can still make our air keep clean. That one is.
There are 4 questions, right? 2 questions, 2 CP questions for little step on Tuesday, right? So
Yes.
what else? You still make 2.
Make sure. Oh, for on Monday, I asked to them, what is the vehicles that that have 4 wheels over there, and they said to that, and they answer that one is car. And if about the on Tuesday, the little step after the transportation that can keep our air clean, that one is about the kinds of transportation, like how do the bus get, like I mean like this, miss, in that CPQ, that one is about the kinds of the transportation, because there are 3 kinds of the transportation on the land, and then air, and then water, and then there are 3 transportation there, like bike, helicopter, and ship over there. So they match the transportation with the kinds of the transportation. That one is.
Okay. So the question, what is that? The last question. You
How-
said just now there are 3 kinds of transportation. So what is
Yes.
the question from the the picture that you have shown about the 3 kinds of the transportation?
How do the bike get on? That one is. How does the bike get on? They say the bike get on land.
Okay. For ASP bahasa,
ASP matematika, and ASP science.
ya bahasa and
Oh,
science.
they are still talk about. Can I
Ya,
say
ini
bahasa means?
ya.
Sorry.
ASP bahasa ini tentang apa?
ASP bahasa, ASP sains, dan ASP matematika masih membahas tentang air, udara, dan api. Sebelumnya kan review dulu, dan saya jelaskan apa itu air, api, dan udara. Air, udara, dan api. Jadi
Bagaimana bisa dijelaskannya?
air, udara, dan api itu adalah sumber daya alam yang mana biasanya digunakan oleh yang berguna oleh manusia. Contohnya kalau dari air itu bisa untuk kita mandi, kemudian itu untuk masak, kemudian untuk mencuci tangan, seperti itu, kegiatan berenang itu menggunakan air. Kalau udara itu untuk kita bernafas. Nah, kalau udara itu tidak ada wujudnya, tidak ada bentuknya, maksudnya tidak ada bentuknya. Apa yang kita hirup itulah dia udara, itu dia. Nah, sedangkan api itu menghasilkan panas dan cahaya. Jadi api itu terkadang membantu kita, tetapi terkadang dapat mencelakakan kita kalau kita tidak hati-hati. Seperti itu. Contohnya lampu itu kalau kita hidupkan menghasilkan cahaya, dan ketika kita pegang lampu itu akan terasa panas. Sama seperti juga lilin itu menggunakan api. Ketika kita menggunakan lilin dengan api yang kecil, itu dapat membantu kita menerangi ruangan yang gelap. Tetapi ketika lilin itu menjadi apinya itu menjadi besar, itu akan terjadi kebakaran dan melukai dirimu. Gitu, guys.
Jadi pertanyaan di CP question
di CPQ question yang
bahasa.
Minggu ini yang di bahasa itu ada seorang anak sedang bermain lilin. Nah, di situ saya bertanya dulu, gambar apa ini? Ini gambar seorang anak dengan lilin. Nah, apa itu lilin? Lilin itu adalah benda yang digunakan untuk menghasilkan menghasilkan cahaya dan panas dengan dihidupkan dengan menggunakan korek. Nah, kemudian setelah itu apakah boleh kita bermain dengan lilin Jawabannya mereka bilang tidak boleh. Lilin itu kalau misalnya kita bermain-main dengan lilin itu sangat berbahaya. Jadi harus hati-hati. Karena kalau misalnya lilin itu dimainkan, itu akan melukaimu dan terbakar seperti itu, Miss.
Oke, untuk ASP Science?
ASP Science itu tentang lebih ke tentang air, Miss. Jadi di situ ada percobaan menenggelamkan beberapa benda seperti dia paku atau batu. Di situ yang ada itu paku, tapi karena di sini kita nggak ada paku, kita pakai kunci tadi, Miss, karena kan kunci terbuat dari besi. Nah, kemudian itu ada kertas, lalu itu ada pensil. Jadi diambil air segayung, lalu dimasukkan itu kunci itu. Jadi di situ menjelaskan apakah kunci ini akan tenggelam atau mengapung. Kalau dia mengapung itu dia akan di atas air, kalau tenggelam itu dia berada di dasar air. Jadi setelah dicoba, kunci itu tenggelam. Jadi mereka tahu kalau kunci itu bisa tenggelam karena kunci itu terbuat dari besi dan berat. Lalu kita gunakan lagi pensil. Pensil itu dia mengapung. Kenapa dia bisa mengapung? Karena dia terbuat dari kayu dan dia ringan. Sedangkan kertas awalnya dia mengapung, tetapi karena dia bahan yang tidak tahan air, lama-lama dia masuk ke dalam air, tapi dia hancur.
Pertanyaan CP question kedua apa?
Yang kedua itu sebenarnya tentang bahan-bahan yang mudah terbakar, Miss. Tapi karena di situ ada beberapa bentuk yang sama, jadi pertanyaan atau latihan di situ itu mengenai bentuk yang sama itu. Contohnya gini, Miss. Jadi di gambar itu tuh ada beberapa gambar seperti buku, kemudian dasi, lalu kotak korek api, lalu itu ada selimut. Nah, kalau buku dengan kotak korek api itu kan semuanya inilah, Miss. Dasi, selimut, kotak korek api, buku itu kan mudah terbakar. Nah, itulah makanya benda-benda yang mudah terbakar. Tapi di sini itu dia bertanya tentang bentuknya yang sama. Jadi kalau selimut sama dasi dan dua ini kotak korek api dan buku, dari situ kan ada yang beda-beda bentuknya, Miss. Kayak selimut sama dasi kan tidak sama bentuknya. Nah, kalau korek api, kotak korek api dan buku itu kan sama bentuknya. Jadi di situ mengenai bentuk yang sama seperti kotak korek api dan buku. Lalu di situ juga ada jam dan apa ya, yang bulat, paku. Tapi kan paku itu kita ngambilnya yang atasnya, Miss, kan bulat tuh. Nah, makanya kita bilang bulat yang sama itu si paku dan si jamnya. Sebenarnya itu tentang alat-alat yang mudah terbakar, bahan-bahan, Miss.
Okay. So for practical life
is about hanging clothes. Okay. That one. We use their uniform from the inventory, and then we buy the hanger, and then we ask them one by one to hang their uniform there to make it tidy.
So what did you provide again? Hanger,
only hanger,
uniform, and then
hanger and uniform
only that. Okay. What else?
The one is special activity.
The project. What else?
Yeah, special activity in Rainbow Science.
What is that?
Transferring water.
How?
That one we put the water into a bowl, and then we put the water inside the bowl, and then they transfer the water inside the bowl to the cup by using spoon. So they know the characteristic of water. Can follow the shape, right? Follow the container between bottle and the cup. That one.
So after you ask them to do the practical life, what do you have they will get from the activity?
I told to them that, so now because you have been done the special activity about hanging the uniform, you know how to hang your uniform, so later after you go home, you see that your uniform still messy on your bedroom or another place, you can help your mommy to hang your uniform to make it tidy. That one, Miss.
So which part actually you train in this activity?
Sorry, Miss.
Which part?
Which part?
Yes.
That one is like
To be
Montessori.
to be
Montessori,
what?
Miss. Montessori. To be the responsibility one.
Person.
Yes, responsible person. That one. And cleanliness.
All right, I think that's all for the evaluation for today, Miss. Yeah, I hope that every practical life that you do or any activities, I hope that they get something from that, right? And then when I ask you also, you can explain the result and the conclusion.
Yes.
I think only that. You could explain also about the certain questions. That's one of the most important thing in this LP as well, and then in this evaluation. So I think you pass in this evaluation.
Thank you, Miss.